Election campaigning for the upcoming assembly polls has kicked off in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Major political parties in the state are currently holding rallies, but the ruling National Conference is conspicuously absent from the political scene. Faced with anti-incumbency and public anger, National Conference is yet to release the candidates list as the leadership is busy hunting for a safe seat for Chief Minister Omar Abdullah.
Election campaign for Jammu and Kashmir's 87-member assembly has kicked off, with major opposition parties like PDP holding rallies across the valley.
तारीख हमारी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे भी जलसे हो रहे हैं, डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज जलसे हो रहे हैं। हम अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसीज में कैंपेन कर रहे हैं। जितने भी हमारे कैंडिडेट्स हैं सब जगह कैंपेन हो रही है।
But the ruling National Conference is yet to finalize the candidate list. Facing a strong anti-incumbency, the party is in a dilemma over the seat allocation for Chief Minister Omar Abdullah.
Even as the poll bugle has been sounded in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, the ruling National Conference is yet to come out with its final list of candidates as it is still searching a safe seat for its working president and election-faced Chief Minister Omar Abdullah.
If the party insiders are to be believed, the ruling National Conference is facing its biggest challenge. A strong anti-incumbency wave is sweeping the NC bastion in central Kashmir.
देखा जाए तो उमर साहब ने गांदरबल क्या पूरी कौम के लिए अपने दौर में कुछ भी नहीं किया। मुझे लगता है जब से उमर साहब आए तो पूरे कश्मीर को परेशानियों के हालात झेलनी पड़ी।
पहला जो उसने वादा किया था कि रेगुलरली विजिट करूंगा मैं इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी का, लेकिन आप लोगों को भी पता होगा, खुद चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब भी जानते हैं कि वो उसने कब विजिट किया गांदरबल।
As the party remains entangled in its decision to field its top candidate, the hunt for a safe seat is posing a major challenge. And this deserted office a reflection of their fears.
फिक्र मत कीजिए, आप वो लड़ेंगे इलेक्शन इंशाल्लाह। गांदरबल से लड़ें या श्रीनगर से लड़ें या कहीं और से लड़ें, तो उनको ऑफर बहुत इलाकों से आ गई है। फाइनल चॉइस उसकी होगी, जहां से वो सिलेक्ट करेंगे वहां से इलेक्शन लड़ेंगे।
And after Haryana and Maharashtra, the BJP is completely banking on Modi magic to better its fortunes in the state.
Chief Minister's seat is safe or not, but as per the people's mood in Kashmir is concerned, the Kashmiri people are now, thinking that they had been hoodwinked from last decades.
Party insiders tell Times Now that there is every chance that Umar may fight from two different constituencies of Sonwar and Ganderbal in order to increase his chances of winning. Mir Farid, Srinagar, Times Now.